Morning, everybody. It's 8:38, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 2106 for this Tuesday morning. Okay, let's get to the numbers. Um, CPI up zero point 0.4 versus up zero point 0.4, so unchanged there on the month over month. Core, same thing, up zero point 0.4 versus up zero point 0.4. On the year over year, CPI is a little bit hot, 3.2 versus 3.1. Core actually went the other way, 3.8 versus 3.9. To give you an idea on what the futures did, the Dow on the headline number went from about unchanged to down 140. Right now is up 100. NASDAQ, which was never down, went from up 83 to up 90 to up only 60, and now is up 123. S&P up 12 to up 15. Got back down on the number to about up 5. And currently, let's take a quick look at this. Um, hmm, okay, I'll get that in a second. But overall, it was an okay. We're up 20, by the way, in the S&P. So everything is basically on the high. It was not a market moving event as much as it was an interest rate moving event, with the 210 now up around 47 or 48. That's about 10 basis points higher than it was on the weekend in the letter. NFIB optimism down 89.4 versus 89.5. Not 89.9, I'm sorry, which is not really market moving. Okay, as far as stocks, we had earnings this morning from Archer Daniels Midland, ADM. They were a miss top and bottom. Guidance was just pretty much right in the middle, and the stock is 57.15. That's up 2.25 or 4%. Coles with a miss on revenue and a beat on earnings is 27.75, and that's up 56 cents or 2.1. On footwear manufacturer, not semiconductor. Miss both top and bottom line, and guidance just, you know, uh, really unchanged. It closed 33.62 on the headline. It jumped up to 35.90 and then turned right around and moved down $8 to 27.48. Last is 29.50. That's down $4.12 or 12%. Problems continue at Boeing after yesterday's headline news on the problem with a 787 in New Zealand. Fell sharply, and 50 people were injured. The DOJ put out some information on their probe and found massive failures and non-compliance. The stock is 189, down 250. This company really needs new management, and you know, basically, it's been absurd how poorly they have handled quality control. Okay, the oil is about unchanged. The gold is down about 10. It was now down about 8. 7, I'm sorry, 7.2. It was down about 15. The silver is down about 4. It was down about 12. Looks like that's rallying back up a bit. The dollar is down 3 cents, so nothing there. Bitcoin is about unchanged, and the bonds, which were down around 121.04 are now 120, 116, and that's up a little. So looks like we survived another CPI. Current futures Dow up 126. Um, let's see. Uh, NASDAQ up 150, and the 10-year has come back in from that 411 and change, now 409.40. So everything coming pretty much back in line. So kind of a nothing burger for the CPI and core CPI. Don't forget, we have PPI tomorrow. So I'll update you on that in tonight's closing comment. Have a good morning. Be careful out there. It is treacherous.